It is February 2019. This is Sarajevo, capital city of Bosnia. My name is Samir Mešić and I am the founder of Bosnian Guide, destination management company.
For 7 years I lived and worked in Qatar. I was business improvement lead at Qatar Shell. I graduated Paris HEC Executive MBA in 2016.
The same year I decided to go back to Bosnia and start my own business in tourism and consulting. In tourism we offer a wide range of products: city tours, Bosnia and Balkan multiple day tours, corporate team buildings, incentives, etc. All these products you can find at our platform bosnianguide.com. If you ever decide to visit Bosnia as a tourist or as an investor, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are waiting for you.